Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Back again with me, Dina Mardia. Here I will present a company profile PT Astra International Tbk. History of PT Astra. PT Astra International Tbk. Astra is one of the largest diversified conglomerates in Indonesia. This investment holding company is often regarded as a barometer of the Indonesian economy due to its presence in various sectors: automotive, agribusiness, heavy equipment, mining, energy, financial service, information technology, and infrastructure and logistics. Business summary: Astra demonstrated strong and sustainable growth after Indonesia was hit by the Asian financial crisis in the late year 1990. This severe crisis forced Astra to restructure and reorganize its business model, including the takeover by Hong Kong-based Jardine Matheson Group in 1999 through its subsidiary Jardine Cycle and Carrier Ltd. Astra has won numerous corporate awards, both national and international, in recent years and has set its ambitious goal of building a global brand name as the pride of Indonesia by 2020. In 2015, Astra International employed more than 225,580 people in 183 companies, including subsidiaries, associate companies, and jointly controlled entities. Starting as a small trading business funded by two brothers, William Surjaya and Tijia Kenti, PT Astra International (Tbk) has grown into an impressive conglomerate operating primarily in Indonesia and forming the largest listed company on the Indonesia Stock Exchange (ADW), with a total market capitalization of more than 7%. The company is the largest automotive group in Southeast Asia and provides a wide range of car and motorcycle products. In the automotive industry, Astra International core business, the company holds a domestic market share of between 50 and 60%. Through a jointly controlled entity with Toyota Motor Corporation, Astra holds the exclusive right to sell Toyota vehicles in the Indonesian market. The Toyota brand is the dominant leader in the wholesale car market in Indonesia. Astra also competes with Daihatsu, Isuzu, Nissan Diesel, Peugeot, BMW cars, and Honda motorcycles. In addition to the production and distribution of the car line, Astra offers consulting service for the purchase of new cars, as well as insurance and financing service to support automotive, motorcycle, and heavy equipment sales for mining, plantation, construction, and forestry. Astra sells heavy equipment related spare parts and profit after sales service. Other sectors that Astra has started to engage in through its subsidiaries are coal mining, agribusiness, palm oil, information technology, infrastructure, toll roads, water supply in Jakarta, and oil storage terminal in Gresik, as well as IT solution service. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.